Okay, today we're here at Knott Farm. Look at this. And for the peanut celebration. And I went to the Gourmet Churro Factory, and I got their Churro Cheesecake Donut Sandwich. This is $12.99. There's no way you're gonna. So I suggest you share it with somebody. You can each get one of the donuts. They are they're churros, but they're made into a ring, and then they've got covered in cinnamon sugar and drizzled with caramel. Well, at least the top one is drizzled. And then this is I assume the cheesecake. Oh, here. Here's some. Let me take a bite. Instead of regular churros, I wish they'd make these. This is actually really good. The outside is crispy and crunchy, and the inside's very soft. And then these cheesecake puffs or puffs, they're actually, I guess, baked. Yeah, that's pretty good too. Just like a plain cheesecake. Yeah, this one is actually delicious. I think well worth the $12.99, and definitely shareable because you can each get a donut, and then you each get half of the, or even if you're between four people, you each get half a donut. You each get a quarter of the cheesecake because the cheesecake is very dense too and very rich. So yeah, definitely this one's a good one. And they were making the these donut churros as they were ordered, so they aren't stale or anything. So I'm gonna give this one an A+. And anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.